Toddlers don't want to eat. It's a big issue of today. My toddler also likes only one kind of food and rejects most of the foods that are offered. Studies have shown that at least 15 to 20 nutritional exposures to any food are required for the child to accept that food. It means that the food has to be offered to the child at least 15 to 20 times, but without force feeding or bribing or cajoling or distracting the child. Just because the child likes to have only one particular food every day and rejects the other foods, would you offer only that one food every day? No, not at all. As a parent, you should offer all the food groups, example chapati, vegetables, fruits, dal, curds, etc., to your child every day along with a food of their liking. The point is that your child should get to see that food every day. If your child sees the food every day, there is strong chance that they would explore it gradually. Touching the food, feeling its texture, smelling it, bringing it closer to the lips, then putting it on their tongue, tasting it, and finally chewing it. If your child does not like the food to be put on the plate, you just need to tell them in a calm voice there is no compulsion for them to try the food, but it would always be kept in the plate. Have loads and loads of patience throughout. You are in for a long haul, but believe me, this work is most of the children.